Oh, they're playing keep away now. Cha-Cha's got something and Duncan wants it. What you got, Cha-Cha? This was an interesting little ball that had some ribbon, little pieces of ribbon sticking out. I wouldn't let him play with it unsupervised, but so he could pick it up because he could pick up the ribbon. Kind of like a Jolly Ball has a handle on it. Although my dogs chew the handle off of Jolly Balls. Yeah, I had a Jolly Ball down there from my baby horse. I don't know whatever went with it. What you think, Duncan? She's getting on you? She's kind of putting her foot on you. I saw her. Are you wearing out now? You gonna come? Oh, your heart's just beating. His heart's against my foot. His heart's just a beating. Uh-oh, did you lose your ball, Cha-Cha? Cha-Cha, did you lose it? Maybe? Duncan said he was gonna lay over here and protect me. What do you think, sweet girl? He was playing kind of rough with that puppy, weren't you?